people ask if they can like backpack. Like, now, it's summertime. I've had like 3 girls just in my gym alone pull up to me like in the parking lot asking for a backpack.
Really?
Yeah. One of them, I think, was actually her boyfriend that asked me, which I thought was crazy because it
Her
was like
boyfriend asked you to backpack?
Dude, it was 2 girls and 1 guy, and the guy has his arm around this girl. He goes, "Can you give her a ride?"
Brother,
And I was like, "I can't."
That's
but,
like cheating.
dude, ask Hassam. Hassam, I literally go, "Yeah, but my friend Hassam right there, you know, I got a girl, and he's single though. He'll do it."
What'd she say?
Hassam said no because I think she was like 17 or 18 or some shit.
Oh,